Just a word of warning, this is a general information only. If you would like personal advice in nature that's outside the realm of this session. There's two ways to earn an income. What are they? Generally, you either work for it or you have dollars that are required via a passive share income portfolio or a passive property income or a business that runs and provides passive income. But what happens if something happens to you? Okay. I want to suggest, what is your most important asset? Okay, is it your car or your house? For most people, it's actually their ability to earn an income. That's their greatest asset. How long could you actually survive without your income? In my experience, most Australians can only last between 4 weeks and 13 weeks. So the big question is, if your income is your most important asset and you no longer have it, you actually need dollars in order to replace your income. And that's the foundation of insurance, that you have capital via insurance so that if something happens to you, you've got regular income coming through. Wealth protection is a very important part of every woman's life, looking after your family, looking after yourself if anything goes wrong. The unique risk for women for insurance, that you're living longer out of the workforce for a longer period of time. It's common for women to have 8 to 10 years out of the workforce, and that means you've got less savings, less superannuation, and often you're less able to cope with the financial setback. No, the policy wordings are quite complex, and so the average person may not know what's a good policy or not, whereas a good insurance broker will be able to tell you why the product they've chosen for you has a lot better definition. Applying for insurance and how it actually works. So to get insurance, you've got to apply for it. Okay, there's health checks, sometimes there's blood checks, but there is a process of filling in an application. There's a waiting period, so how long you have to wait. So let's say, for example, if there was you were sick or injured here, and then the waiting period is how long you have to wait in order to get paid your benefit. Typical terms could be 30, 60 or 90 days you have to wait. But you can get income protection inside or outside super. So if you choose to use your superannuation contributions to pay for insurance, what that means is premiums that you pay will reduce your superannuation balance. Okay, so you can have the choice of either letting your superannuation go down by the amount of the premiums, or if you want to, you can choose to salary sacrifice your salary into superannuation in order to keep your superannuation balance.